In this video, you'll learn how to log into your Binance account using a QR code. This method provides a quick and secure way to access your account, especially if you prefer not to enter your password manually. Begin by navigating to the Binance website on your computer. Once there, locate the login page. Instead of entering your password, look for the option labeled QR login and select it. At this point, a QR code will appear on the screen. It is important to keep this page open as you will need it for the next steps. Ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions during the login process. Next, grab your mobile device and open the Binance app. Once the app is open, find and tap the scan icon situated in the top corner of the screen. This will activate your device's camera. Carefully position your camera to scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. After scanning, take a moment to review the login request that appears on your mobile device. Confirm that all details are correct before proceeding. After reviewing the login request, you will need to confirm the login from your mobile device. This action is crucial for ensuring that the login attempt is authorized. Wait for a notification on your mobile device, confirming that the login has been approved. This process may take a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. Once you receive the confirmation notification, your desktop session will open automatically. At this point, you should find yourself logged into your Binance account securely. If the session does not open, double check that you have followed all previous steps correctly and ensure that both your desktop and mobile devices are connected to the internet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.